Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Well, today I have a Dollarama haul that I wanted to share with you. A couple of cool items that I found. I mean, it isn't an overly large haul, but regardless, you know how I love to share it with you, and I know how most of you love Dollarama hauls. So that being said, if you want to see what I purchased this time around at Dollarama, you know the drill. Please keep on watching. Okay, so let's get the boring items out of the way first. So I picked up this package of similar, I guess, to magic erasers, but they're by the Scrubber Cleans brand, and it's a double easy eraser. So you can see there, it's white on one side and blue on the other. I use it to do a deep clean in my kitchen sink and in my bathtub, and I think it removes scum and watermarks and everything else so well. And this is what the back looks like. Now, it's not as sturdy. I will say that it's not as sturdy as the marker eraser. It's a little bit more flimsier, and it maybe falls apart easily or easier, but it really is good and it really does the trick. And for $1.25 for two, you can't beat it. So I did pick up that. I also needed another basin stopper, so I picked one of those up for $1.25. I purchase this quite frequently by the Betty Crocker brand. This is their silicone parchment paper. And there's, I believe is it 10 sheets? Yes, there's 10 sheets in a package right there. And it's for oven, freezer, and microwave safe. And I like to use it for my baking. It really, really is good. And I usually pick these up quite frequently, and I love the way they work. So next here, I found these silicone drain hair catchers. Again, this is by the Scrubber Cleans brand. And they do have ones that are like as shown on TV. These are Scrubber Clean, so I'm not sure if that's the Dollarama brand. And you can see here, it's supposed to like grab the hair from actually going down the drain. So we're going to give these a try. It helps prevent clogged drains. And I have longer hair, so my hair, plus I have a thyroid problem, it tends to fall out a lot more than I'd like to. So we're definitely going to give these a try and see how well, or maybe not so well, they work. And I'll possibly do a review on those and see if it's worth purchasing or not. So there's 2 pieces in here, and these were $2. I also picked up this compact mirror, and it has an LED light which shuts on and off. And it's by the Almanac brand. So let's actually open this up and see how it looks like. I'm curious. So this is the mirror itself. It's just a plain black. And the mirror over here, I'm not going to blind you. And there's another mirror over here. And I'm guessing this is where the battery goes. So it does include a battery, and there's a little plastic tab which you remove. So we're going to go ahead and remove that. See, there's the plastic tab right over there. Close that back up, and there you go. There's a light. I'm not sure if you can see it there. Not a very strong light, but I mean, it is a light. So we're going to see how that works. And again, this one was, oh, there's no price on it. So I can tell you right off the bat how much it was. Definitely wasn't $4, I don't think. But anyways, if you're looking for a lighted mirror, there is one here. So I got that. I also found this, and this is by the L'Oreal brand. And it's the Sublime Bronze. It's a self-tanning lotion, and I got it in the shade medium. It's a 150 ml bottle, and I have seen these at retail, be it Shoppers, Walmart, for $9 plus. This one was $4. And it's just a self tanner. And I mean, summer's just right around the corner. My legs are pasty white, so I thought I would give this a try. And smell, the scent isn't horrible, but if you're looking for self tanner, let's look at the expiry date on here. If I can see it. Don't see an expiry date or I'm missing it. But yeah, so they did have the self tanner by a very reputable brand. So I was happy to find that. I also picked up this. This is by the Tech One wireless charger. And it is fast charging, protects phone functionality for QI enabled smartphones. And it says here it's for the iPhone X or Galaxy S9, Galaxy Note 8, S9 Plus, and iPhone 8 Plus and 8. Now I have the, not iPhone, sorry, I have the Galaxy S8 Plus, which doesn't look like it's listed on here. But I know I do have that QI enabled for fast charging. So we're going to give that a try. I've heard mixed reviews on this from my other Dollarama families here on YouTube. Ones have said it doesn't work at all. So I don't know if their phones aren't compatible with this. But I will definitely try this out and possibly a review. This was $4. So if it works, it's great. I mean, you could just put this on a night table or anywhere really on the kitchen counter. And if your battery's drained, you just place it on top of there and it will charge your phone. No need to look for USB cables, whatever. So hopefully, keeping my fingers crossed that works. And again, if you want to see a review, let me know down below. Now, one of the items I was on the hunt for and I was super, super happy to find was this Lightup Duranium. So this is what it looks like. And I got it with the greenery. What is that? Aloe vera maybe? They did have like a lavender little bush. And they had other types of greenery like money trees. But I opted for this one. I just thought this was super pretty. And it comes with the little rocks. And it looks like a light bulb. It is glass and not plastic. And it is by the Home Deco brand. So I'm going to open this up and show you. It is so, so pretty and I'm in love with this. And it's such a pretty, pretty decor piece. So here it is out of the box. And it comes like with a fish wire so you can hang. Just want to give you all the details. Look how pretty that is. And again, it is glass. And I thought it was so pretty. I mean, place it on top of a bookshelf, on top of a table, hang it. It's so, so pretty. I'm in love with it. And now, and it comes with a little, like as I mentioned, a fish hook right there. That's what you call it. I don't even know if that's what you call it. And here's the fishing wire. So if you do decide to hang it, it's pretty much invisible. And at the top here, you see this little white, you click on it, and now it lights up. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm in love with this. It's so, so pretty. So pretty. So I picked that up. That was again on my hunt list. And when I found it, you better believe I picked it up. And the last item for today's haul, oh sorry, 2 more items. This little one here, I picked up its favor tags. And it says, with love and thanks. And it comes with 25 pieces. It's by the Celebration line. Right there is $1.25. And I do a lot of crafts where I sell with my Cricut machine. So I thought I would attach this to the items I sell. So I thought that was cute. So I picked that up. And now, last but not least, I picked up, let me remove it out of the bag first, just so you can see. I picked up a laundry hamper. These are the dimensions, 36 by 32. It was $4. And this is what the hamper looks like. And I was looking for this as well. Let me just see if I can move back just a tad. So it matches my decor quite well. So it is striped gray and white. And I'm going to move the camera up just a tad so you can see it. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. And it has the handles over here. And it's a fairly decent size. It's canvas. And the inside is lined, as you can see. So whether you use this maybe in a bathroom to display towels, or if you use it what it's intended for laundry, you know, keep it in your bedroom. The colors are quite neutral. You can throw in dirty laundry there, or for the kids' room to store toys or stuffies. I mean, it's endless what you could do. Your living room, I mean, if you have these type of colors, you can, you know, store some, maybe a couple of throw pillows and a few throws in there. A spare bedroom. I mean, again, it's endless what you can use this for, but I just absolutely love the colors. I mean, these are my colors, the grays and the creams and the whites. So I thought that was a great find for $4. So yes, so that was my haul today. I got some, you know, pretty decent finds, things that were on my hunt list. So definitely a bonus for me. So let me know down below if you found this item, because I absolutely love it. Again, let's light it up. So pretty. So thank you so much for watching. Give me a like if you like Dollarama hauls. I know a lot of you. Now, most of my friends on here do sign up for to watch my Dollarama hauls. So I hope you're enjoying them. I hope you're enjoying the, you know, shop with me. Let me know what other type of videos you'd like, because I can certainly try to accommodate. If, you know, if it's something, of course, that, you know, I like to do as well. So again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your love and support. And again, you know, I will catch you on my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye everyone, have a wonderful day.